What I learned so far installing the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X and the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3. Lesson number 1. When getting this, I got this and I received it on like November 3rd, and it's nearly Christmas, December 22nd right now, and I'm finally getting it installed. So it helps to, number 1, talk to your electrician that's going to be installing it. Get the quotes early. Get it before you actually even order, because you don't even know if they need anything else to install it and if the cost will be way higher than you expect. So talk to them first, get the quotes, figure it all out before you actually order it. I was too excited. I wanted to install it myself. So that's why I ordered it first, realized I couldn't install it, then hired these guys, Mike and Jack, to help me install it. They're professionals. They sized up the job, and it looks like for me, in my home, I will have to do some modifications. It depends on how you install it, and every area, the code is a little bit different. I actually have a soffit going around my circuit breaker box, so they have to expand it, make it a little bit wider, and extend it down a little bit longer. Hopefully the cables are long enough, but if they're not, they have to extend it, and all that. Little stuff that I didn't think about when getting the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3 and the Delta Pro Ultra X, but nonetheless, that is lesson number 1 when installing it. Lesson number 2 is actually figuring out where to put this. So when you install the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X, you have the Smart Home Panel 3 right there, but you also have this box. Now this box is actually not waterproof, so you have to install it indoor. I believe the Smart Home Panel 3 is somewhat waterproof, so you can install it outdoor. You can install this box right underneath there, or you can install it somewhere else in the home. Wherever you install this box, that's where you're gonna run the batteries, because the wires for this, it's very, very thick, and it's not very long. So that's something I didn't really think too much. I figured, you know, let's just put the batteries over here. Hopefully that's good enough. So once I realized the panel is very, very long, once the panel sits there, I'm not sure if I have enough room underneath the panel for the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X and 2 batteries. If I do have enough room, that's great. Now here's the crazy thing. If I have more room, I might get 1 more battery, or maybe 2 more battery. We'll see. If I want to get more batteries, I might have to just decide to put on the side, maybe over there. It just kind of ruins the flow a little bit. I mean, I could install the Smart Home Panel here and then run that cable upstairs and really use really thick gauges. Not that cable, you have to run your own power cable, and then be able to put this box upstairs in another room, and then have my EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X and the batteries in another room, and then it works that way. But I want to just have everything together because it's so cool. I just want to have it all here, and that's my plan. So those are the 2 lessons so far that I learned about the EcoFlow Smart Home Panel 3 and the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra X installation.